Hey friends, this is the Miss Wolfie from our Half Acre Homestead, or Life with the Wolfies, if you want to call it that, with a tea break. Now, I know that for the last 3 months or so, you guys have not been getting, excuse me, you have not been getting the channel that you're used to. But if you go back to 2009, my channel has been constantly changing. Yes, it's always seemed to have been a homestead channel. And yes, we are scaling back on the homesteading. I'm still going to do canning and dehydrating, gardening, and I may even have some chickens this year, but we are not the big livestock homesteaders that we used to be. There's also the fact, excuse me, I'm not feeling well. There's also the fact that I've had a really rough winter. Physically, mentally, emotionally, it's been a rough winter. I've been doing what you guys see. And if you see negative stuff coming out of me in the live streams, that's just the tip of the iceberg. So be grateful I don't share it all. Okay? Now, somebody seemed to be upset that and said that I'm seem to be almost exclusively live streaming. That's not true. I have been doing a lot of live streaming because there's a lot of people in our Connected Heart internet family that needs support. And I started the ball rolling, and I'm going to continue it rolling for as long as people want me to. But if you don't want to show up for those live streams, just make sure that you read the title of the live stream. If it says Connected Hearts Family, that means it's a family meeting and you don't have to come if you don't feel welcome. I don't know how you would not feel welcome because everybody's welcome. I am coming back into doing my regular videos, but I'm only doing them like 3 days a week because I am now recovering from being all ill all winter. It takes a lot out of me. Okay. So my channel's not going anywhere. And if you look from 2009, it's never been anything other than progressive and moving forward and doing things and trying new things. And that's not necessarily going to change. It's just going to change. It's just going to progress as we progress into these gray hairs that we're growing. Okay. Physically, we can't do as much as we used to. And yes, Papa has a race car. And yes, I'm doing more live streams. All these things do not change the fact that I haven't gone anywhere. Now, so I've had a couple of emails saying that people want to unsubscribe because of the amount of live streaming I've been doing. That's your prerogative. You can do that. If you feel you're not getting out of my channel what you used to, that's your prerogative to leave. But when I talked to about, I had to go to town and pick Briar up and do some stuff after the live stream today. And I told Briar about it because it saddens me when people feel they have to declare that they're leaving me. I suppose this is a relationship, but you know, you didn't, you may, long time subscriber, short time subscriber, it really doesn't matter. It still hurts when you tell me that you're leaving. I would rather you just didn't tell me. But I was telling it to Briar, and Briar goes, Mom, he said, you've never been anybody other than who you are. And he said, and I bet you for every 3 subscribers you lose, you'll gain 5. He said, you just got to keep being you. Thank you, Briar, for that. Thank you, Briar, for that. He told me I'm the one who taught him that not everybody who comes into our lives is there forever. Okay. People in your life is kind of like the surf on the shore. Okay. It goes out and it comes back and it goes out and comes back. And these are the people that come in and out of your life. Some continue, some wash up on the shore and stay with you forever. Some retreat. Some, some people come into your life as a lesson. Some people come into your life as a blessing. And some people just come to help, uh, you know, add their light to yours. And so we all shine brighter. But it's forever moving and forever changing. Nothing is ever going to stay the same, especially when we're aging. So I'm going to say, yes, I'm going to continue with my live streams because we give each other a lot of support and everybody's welcome. And we do a non-denominational spiritual prayer hug at the end of every live stream of our YouTube of our Connected Hearts family. But we also tell people when that's about to happen so that if it's not part of their belief system, they get a chance to say, okay, we're going to leave now and have a nice day and take care and whatever, right? That's just the way it is. I'm not going to be able to please 100,000 people simultaneously. I just can't. I'm me. I'm human. I'm fallible. I'm broken. But I'm beautiful. And so are you. So this is kind of an all-out message to everybody who has supported me in the past, plans on supporting me in the future, or have decided that, this is where our relationship comes to end. Take care. God bless. I love you all, and thank you for being a part of my life. And for those of you who choose to stay or are just coming aboard, hang on. It's never boring. All right. This is the Mrs. Wolfie from Our Half Acre Homestead saying there is room for everybody in our Connected Hearts internet family, but only if they want to be there. Right. Take care. God bless. Oh, Mary Jane had her upper GI, and they've got they found a lot of damage in her esophagus. And tomorrow morning they do her lower GI. Okay, I'll keep you posted. We'll find out more tomorrow. All right, take care. God bless. I love you guys. Even if you don't want to stay, it's okay. That's just life.